Hi, my name's Dr. Dan Keown. I work in emergency as a doctor. I also do acupuncture. Today I want to talk about the bladder channel. It's by far the most interesting channel in the body and also the weirdest. It goes down your back in two parallel lines and influences all the other organs. Osteopaths and chiropractors osteopaths especially will often say that you can manipulate the back to help the rest of the body, the organs, and this is what the Chinese are saying as well. To understand how, you need to go back to about day 25. So that's not day 25 after you were born, day 25 after conception occurred. You look somewhat like this. So here is your eye, this is your umbilical cord, and you might have some little arms, little legs appearing. You've certainly got a tail. So not a person that anyone would really recognise. But at this point, you don't have kidneys. You have something called your mesonephric ducts. Now the name's not important, but what it does is very important, because your body at this point is effectively like a worm. It's got segments, and in each segment you have a tiny little kidney, and that tiny little kidney produces waste products from its segment, and these waste products, they have to go somewhere, and they do. They go into a bladder, of course, and this bladder, which is called the mesonephric duct, it runs all the way down here either side of the midline to insert into what will become the trigone of the bladder in adult life. So this is a bladder. It's just a bladder that disappears when you're about 50 days old. If you did this in cross section, it would look like this. So here's your spine, here is your spinal column, and the little bladders would be there. And this is pretty much exactly where the Chinese say you get access to the bladder channel by using needles here. And furthermore, it goes on to explain why these individual points are important for the organs, because what you're doing is you are influencing effectively the segments that these little kidneys supply. So this segment is where the heart might develop, and then lung, and then liver, and then spleen, and so on. And this is the bladder channel of Chinese medicine. A tiny little kidney.